to come up sometime.
Not bad, huh?
You're telling me?
Somewhere on the great white way, but I only know that I love her so. To me, she's as pure as white driven snow.
Oh, yeah?
And if you see our darling Nellie, please send her back to Logan, PA.
Many the mochers were in day.
and now.
Oh, please let me go.
Hody, 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 ho!
Oh, help, help, help. Hey-de, hey-de, hey.
Hey, hey, hey! It's Minnie the Moocher wedding day.
Yeah, man. Why, what's that you all say, Pooch? Minnie the Moocher's wedding day.
A shoemaker worked at his bench all day, trying to make his shoe shop pay. But business was bad and he had the blues. As he worked on his last pair of shoes, his money was gone, the cupboard was bare, with just one donut for him to share. With his poor little, sweet little gray-haired spouse, who lived with him in his tumble-down house.
I'm a poor little elf, hungry and cold. Brother, can you spare a dime?
Our purse is empty, the cupboard is bare, but this coffee and donut we go, lastly we'll share.
Dunk, dunk, dunk. Oh, how I'd love to dunk donuts. Dunk, dunk, dunk. If I can't dunk, I will go nuts. It's very simple, it's
15 and a cabote in the vid. Okay, it's a double A, kiddo.
When the old couple arose at dawn, the elves heard them coming and quickly were gone. They looked in amazement and rubbed their eyes to see all the shoes was quite a surprise. No shop in the country had such lovely shoes. Customers flocked there when they heard the news. The queen of the kingdom bought 12 dozen pair, and by that evening the shelves were bare. Each night thereafter the elves did return, until the old cobbler had money to burn. In silks and in satins his wife was arrayed, so they both decided the elves should be paid.
Surprise! All jolly elves join in with me and sing the Dunking Rhapsody.
Dunk, dunk, dunk. Oh, how we love to dunk donuts. Dunk, dunk, dunk. If we can dunk, we will go nuts. It's very simple if you know your stuff. Boom, boom, don't dunk too deeply or you'll wet your cup. Dunk and make bubbles, forget all your troubles.
And dunk, dunk, dunk.
Come on and dunk, dunk, dunk.
Here comes the Sandman with his bag of sand, scattering slumber all over the land, building a dream house in each little bed, bringing tomorrows to each sleepy head.
Please, I got the slipper. What's the matter? You want a candy? I don't got a candy. Please, I got to sleep. Keep quiet. Bambinos, I no got the slipper. What's a candy? I no got a candy.
I am the Candy King, the King of Candyland. I sit alone on a candy throne and rule this dandy land.
O ruler of this kingdom sweet, I have two friends for you to meet.
The Sandman's friends, I'm glad to see. Here, have a lollipop on me.
All the men of Candyland, with the captain in command, march down the street in aprons neat to the music of the candy band.
They have no horns or big bassoons.
They beat on pans with wooden spoons.
and toot so cute on a licorice flute as they play you all a candy tune.
See the cooks all struck with pep as they keep in perfect step to that rum-tum-tum-tum-tum played on the candy kettle drum.
They're not off to Buffalo as down the Sugar Street they go. They're on their way to work all day to the music of the candy band.
Each pot and pan and candy man is clean to a perfection. They stand in line, their faces shine, all ready for inspection.
In their kitchen, spick and span, every little candy man is busy making some kind of confection. A pinch of salt, a little spice, stir this mixture once or twice, and cook until it's done to a perfection. Then it's poured out in a mold, filled with nuts as it grows cold. It's wrapped in cellophane for your protection. Luscious flavored honey juice, candy sticks of rainbow hues are ready now, so make your own selection. Peppermints in colors gay, red and green and white. English toffee, oh I say, it's jolly good, all right. Lollipops, lemon drops, bonbons, bittersweet. Even Scotty butterscotch will offer you a treat.
Have enough candy? Open your mouth and close your eyes. Now I'll give you a big surprise.
Please, no way to the baby. Get back quiet. Please, I got the slipper. What's the matter? You want a candy? I don't got it.
From coast to coast.
Hello.
Oh, shucks! I'm supposed to scare you.
Yeah? Why?
'Cause I'm a ghost.
I don't believe it, ghost. You can't scare me, big boy.
I'll bet my pop can scare you.
Oh, I bet he can.
I bet he can.
I bet he can.
I bet he can.
I bet he can. Your confidence is most commendable, but it's a lot of hooey to me, big boy.
Yes, my son. Coming, my son. Did I hear somebody spooking?
Hey, Pop, he says you can't scare him. He says he don't believe in ghosts.
Hey, fellas, he says he don't believe in ghosts.
Now listen, you nightshirt jitterbugs. In this enlightened age, we children do not recognize ectoplasmic figments of the imagination. I refuse to be terrified by any such phantasmagoria.
What'll we do with him, boys?
This cavalcade of nonsense don't scare me. scare me with that stuff. Going my way, big boy.
Mercy, sir. Yes, sir.
Leave me alone, you bedsheet apparitions.
Come on, you seven. Uh-oh. Snake eyes.
Infinitesimal half-pint salmon. This exhibition of supernatural claptrap don't affect me in the least. Cram! Boom! I ain't as scared yet, much. I still claim I'm not as scared.
One of the greatest educational institutions in America is the county fair. For it is here one may witness the most astounding array of prize livestock and agricultural specimens. The first thing we see is the fruit exhibit. Just look at those beautiful apples. Say, little girl, how about a sample?
Sure.
Fancy needlework is always interesting to the ladies. This is an excellent example of needlepoint. Hey, what's the big idea?
Oh, I'm just an old crazy quilt.
This new cream separator is so simple, even a child can operate it. Simple is right. One of the most interesting things at the fair is the honey exhibit. Mr. Drone, don't you find it rather dangerous working with bees?
Could be.
Pardon me. Have you seen my little boy?
Sorry, madam, but I haven't seen him.
Thank you.
These judges are apparently having difficulty selecting the winner.
J-E-L-L-Y.
And now we want you to meet Mr. Luther Mudbank and his prize persimmon. Mr. Mudbank, is it true that persimmons pucker your mouth?
This is not true. Purely propaganda.
Here's Mother Hubbard Squash and her prize-winning pies. Just think, these luscious pies were baked by her in her own little kitchen. Tell us, Mother Squash, how do you find time to turn out so many of those delicious homemade pies? My, oh my, what beautiful corn. I wonder what kind it is. Oh, that kind. Well, we're just in time to see a demonstration of a new plant food, vitamin B flat.
Just drop the seed on the ground like this, then add a drop of vitamin B flat. While it is... take it easy now. While it is coming... Steady, old girl. While it is... Easy now. Easy. Oh. Help!
No fair would be complete without a hog calling contest. Let's listen to these two contestants.
You're a hog.
Who's a hog?
You're a hog.
I'm not a hog. You're a hog.
Ah, go on. You're a hog.
I'm not a hog.
You're too hog.
Who's a hog?
You're a hog.
I'm not a hog. You're a hog.
Pardon the interruption, but have you seen my little boy?
No, lady, I haven't seen your little boy.
Thank you.
At all large gatherings such as this, pickpockets reap a harvest. Here's one now. What a pity. Little does that poor farmer suspect that he is a victim of those nimble fingers. Here's a Thanksgiving specialty. Well, can you imagine that? These turkeys haven't any necks.
Yeah, so what? Nobody ever eats the neck anyway.
Here we see the latest type incubator. Just slide in a tray of eggs, turn on the switch, and you have... Well, better luck next time. Speaking of eggs, just look at this one. 3 pounds. I'll bet the hen that laid that is mighty proud.
That's what you think.
Let's skip over to the livestock building. My goodness, just look at the sheep. Over and over they go. Wonder if they keep that up all day.
Ah, yes. Monotonous, isn't it?
Now over here is a real blue ribbon champion. Notice the beautiful markings. Just look at those calves. Aren't they beauties? These are not so bad either. Well, this must be a circus horse.
Truck horse. Get it?
Hey, close that door. Were you raised in a barn?
Oh, I get it. Draft horses. Who can guess this one? Give up? Rocking horse.
Oh, what did you go and tell them for?
All of these ducks are prize winners. Hey, you don't belong in there.
You mean I ain't a duck?
No, you're a penguin.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
That's what I keep telling them down at the office.
The dog show always commands a large crowd. Hey, wait a minute. Where are all the dogs? Oh, no wonder.
Pardon me.
Listen, lady, I haven't seen your little boy. And will you please stop bothering me?
Thank you.
There are several different kinds of hogs. For example, the Berkshire, the Poland China, and the Razorback. But this old girl is in a class all by herself. Stand up, Susie, so the folks can see how big you are. Oh, come on, be a good girl. Maybe she's ill. Maybe I should call a veterinarian.
Maybe you should mind your own business.
Are you sure you haven't seen my little boy?
For the last time, no, I haven't seen your little boy.
Well, here he is!